In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can expand over a single bracket. In a previous video that I'll link here, we explored how we could use simple strategies to expand brackets. In this video, I'm going to use the claw method. So looking at the example on the left-hand side, the first thing I need to do is multiply x by x and then x by -6. Well, this will give x times x and x times by -6. Whenever you have x times x, you're multiplying it by itself. When you multiply a term by itself, it's the same as squaring it. So x times x can be simplified to x squared. Whenever we are multiplying x by a number, the number is normally placed in front of x. So x times -6 will be -6x. I've now successfully expanded out the brackets. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So multiplying x by x and x by 4 will give x times x and x times 4. X times x is x squared. And as before, whenever we multiply x by a number, the number normally goes in front. So this will give me 4x. Now both x and 4 are positive, so the sign that goes in front of 4 will be plus. So I've now successfully expanded out the brackets. X squared plus 4x.